In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image to a shape in PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. This skill is particularly useful for creating visually engaging presentations with unique and custom-shaped images. Let's jump right into it and make your presentation slides stand out. To start, open your web browser and search for Microsoft PowerPoint if you don't have it open already. Access PowerPoint through your preferred method, whether that's through a desktop application on your computer or via an online link. Once you're in PowerPoint, make sure you're logged into your account. Logging in ensures all your custom settings and any saved work are accessible, providing a seamless experience as you navigate through the tools. Now, let's get into the fun part: cropping your image into a shape. Start by selecting the image you want to work with on your slide. Simply click on the image, and you'll see a border around it, indicating it's selected. This action also triggers a change in the toolbar. Look towards the top of your screen, and you'll notice a new tab appearing in the ribbon. It might be labeled as Picture Format or Picture Tools, depending on your version of PowerPoint. This tab contains all the tools we need to transform our image. Within the Picture Format toolbar, head over to the right-hand side, where you'll find the Crop button. It's typically located towards the end of the Options panel. Pay attention to the small arrow situated below the crop icon. Clicking this arrow is crucial as it opens up additional cropping options. As you explore the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over Crop to Shape. This option presents you with an array of shapes to choose from. This is where you can let your creativity shine. From simple shapes like circles and rectangles to more complex ones like stars and arrows, the shapes available allow for endless customization. Click on the shape that best fits the look you're aiming to achieve. With your shape selected, the image instantly conforms to that shape, creating a visually appealing element on your slide. To finalize this process, simply click anywhere outside the image. Doing so will allow you to see the finished result clearly, without any formatting lines or selection borders. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully cropped an image into a shape using PowerPoint. This technique is a powerful way to enhance your slides, making your presentations more memorable and engaging. Remember, with a little practice, you'll become a pro at this, using images in innovative ways to captivate your audience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips to elevate your PowerPoint presentations.